The alarm clock. One morning, Zabezoo was sleeping sweetly in her bed. She had a dream she was a princess riding a unicorn. When suddenly...
Shh, sleep, buddy.
Zabezoo, come on, sweetie. It's time to get up. The alarm clock has brought us a bright new day.
Mom, let me sleep. I gotta finish my dream.
Hey, kiddo, I'd like to sleep more too, but that old alarm clock rang. Come on, up you go. Wash up, get dressed, eat. And you love kindergarten, and we have to work, you know.
Yeah. That old alarm clock rang again. Bummer. I was really into that dream. Bingo, flamingo! I got an idea!
And so, late in the evening, when Mom and Dad were sound asleep, Zabezoo decided to turn off this bad alarm clock.
I'm going to tweak that alarm clock. Buddy, the alarm clock. The alarm clock. Awesome. Now we'll finally get some sleep.
We overslept!
Hello? I'm listening. What's that? What? I heard you. Huh? You sure? I'll be right there. Hit the start key.
Cool.
Get in the car, let's go, we're late!
Mom, Dad, am I going to kindergarten in my pajamas?
Zabezoo.
In the evening, the family gathered for dinner to talk about their day.
Today we got ready for the morning show in my kindergarten. The boys were the cowboys and the girls were the bells. But I was late, so I had to be a cactus.
Oh my, and I was supposed to draw a seal, but I didn't have time. Oopsie.
And I was late for my rocket flight. They flew without me. Now I have to fly this coming weekend on another rocket to catch up with it. So, we won't be going to the fantastic park of fairy tale wonders, honey.
We're not going? I love the Fantastic Fairy Tale Wonders Park. But you promised.
Zabezoo, dear, it happens. If only that alarm clock rang on time.
That wasn't the alarm clock's fault. I wanted to sleep more. I didn't think this would happen. I have to tell the truth. I turned off the alarm.
Zabezoo.
Mommy, Daddy, I'm really very sorry. I will never, ever turn off the alarm clock again.
Today, Zabezoo realized that if we go to bed on time and wake up on time, we'll never be late and we'll never miss anything important.
Who turned on the alarms? And why won't they stop ringing?
I turn them on to make sure you don't oversleep.
Thank you, honey. But this isn't a work day. It's the weekend.
Oopsie. Munches on carrots. Also it's bananas. Whose tail's as long as Daddy's. Who's swinging on the vine. She has two bunny ears.
apple party. One day, all the apples ripened in Zabezoo's garden. So, Mom and Dad decided to have an apple party.
Hey, Mom, can my friends come to the apple party?
They can, but you'll need to pick more apples then.
I can do that. I'll bring a lot of apples, enough for everyone.
Oh, hey! Are you picking apples?
Hi, Tony.
Ouch! Oh! Ow! That hurts!
Sorry, Tony. How about, to make it up to you, you can come to my apple party.
I don't want your sour apples. Pooh! I'll have lunch at home. Ha ha! Ha ha!
Well, here I go. So many apples. Hey, Zabezoo! Wow, that's a lot of apples. Do you need help? Yes, please. And you can join my apple party.
Aha! Ha ha! Ha ha ha!
They're too heavy. It's a lot of apples. Can we eat some apples? Ready, push. This is a lot of hard work. We need some refreshments. Hello there. Lisa, Ella, wanna come to my apple party? And help us push. This cart isn't moving an inch. Wow, that's a lot of apples. May I have one? Of course you can.
Ah! Boo!
Yummy! Ready, push! No! This is not working! Zabezoo, you're leading wrong. You're saying ready, now push. We should count down. Okay, you lead us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Way to lead the team, Bobby.
Oh! Hey!
Apples for both me and you. Apples for my friends too. We'll all be so happy at our apple party. Just another apple for me.
Where have you been, Zabezoo? I was getting worried.
Mom, look! We brought so many apples.
That's okay. It happens. Come inside. Daddy and I have already made apple pie, apple soup, apple casserole, apple sauce.
Apple cutlets and apple kebab.
Is there anything without apples? Munches on carrots. Also it's bananas. Whose tail's as long as Daddy's. Who's swinging on the vines. She has 2 bunny ears. your mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
Paper planes.
Come on in. Mom said it's okay. While Daddy's at work, we can check out his office.
Just don't touch anything on Daddy's desk.
Of course, Mommy. Don't touch anything on his desk.
Zabezoo's dad works as an astronaut. When he's not out exploring the stars, he writes flight manuals for pilots.
Oh! Ugh. Do you know how fast that plane is?
No, but it's so beautiful.
Look, I can make an airplane too.
No, you can't touch anything on the desk.
But this isn't the desk. It's the table. Zabezoo, does your dad need these papers for anything? I don't think so. They're just scribbles and drawings. Wow, that flew great. I'm making one too.
Nice job. And here goes mine.
Let's see whose plane will fly the farthest. 1, 2, 3, fire!
Mine flew the farthest.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Huh? Oh, formula for radial trajectory? Glide slope station? Hey, stop! Don't! I need those!
Hey, look! Your dad's playing with us.
Quick, let's throw him some more planes.
My writing! My blueprints! Make it stop!
Honey, what's going on?
This is my new manual! 3 chapters have already flown away!
Hey, you 3! Stop flying those planes this minute!
Oops, I guess Daddy must need these scribbles for some reason.
That's what I've been saying. Don't touch anything.
I can't believe it, but we found all the pages.
Daddy, we found all 3 chapters. We didn't mean to throw your papers. We thought they were just scribbles. And you always let me play like that.
Zabezoo, I'm not angry with you. Quite the opposite. You inspired me. While I was watching you and your friends fly planes, I came up with a new way of piloting. It's where your plane flies like this.
It flies like this?
Exactly. And I think I'm gonna call this technique the monkey tail.
Then you'd better get started on another chapter. ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo, Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
I'll save you, Daddy. Zabezoo's dad works in space. He's an astronaut, and today he flew to the moon.
I'm going to be an astronaut too. If I can be brave like Daddy. Let's look. Maybe we can see him. Look, here's the moon, and here... What's that? It's a space spider! But Daddy's up there! We have to save him! Hey there, Zabezoo. Where are you going? I'm going to the moon! Daddy needs help! There's a giant space spider up there, and it's going to eat him! Scary? That's way too scary.
Face a spider without a weapon? Take my water gun. Spiders are afraid of water.
Thank you.
You can take my jump rope to tie that spider.
It'll come in handy.
Take Whis.
Sorry, Ella, but it won't help against the spider.
Take it.
Thanks, Ella. So, off I go.
Wait, Zabezoo, it's not gonna work. They'll never let you into space without astronaut training or passing the special space tests.
I'll do anything to save my dad. What kind of tests?
Let's begin. You are now officially an astronaut.
Zabezoo, come home.
Mommy, I need to fly to the moon. I have to save Daddy from a giant space spider.
Daddy? From a spider? But all the rockets have left for the day. You'll have to rescue him in the morning.
Looks like today won't work. But tomorrow, I'm coming to save you, Daddy. Daddy, there you are. I'm so glad I saved you.
Zabezoo!
Saved you.
Zabezoo, it's time to wake up.
Daddy, there you are. I'm so glad I saved you before that giant spider ate you.
What space spider?
Look, see for yourself.
Ah, this one. Well, he's not that cosmic.
Oh, he's tiny. I was scared of this little guy.
You may have been scared of a little guy, but you were ready to fight a giant. That makes you the bravest girl in the world.
Okay, but next time, Daddy, I'm definitely going to save you. has two bunny ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo. Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
A song for Grandpa. Zabezoo's grandpa lives in another city, but she talks to him on the phone a lot and makes sure to call him on every holiday.
Okay. Grandpa's birthday is coming up. Why don't you draw him a picture?
I drew him a picture last year. How about I sing him a song? And you can film me on your phone.
Great idea. Now let's see if we can find some music on the internet.
I don't want to lip sync someone else's song. I'll compose and play the song myself, and will sing myself.
On what? We don't have a guitar or a piano?
I see instruments everywhere. Dear Grandpa, it's Zabezoo. Dear Grandpa, this song's for you. Dear Grandpa.
Zabezoo, you're breaking my concentration. Think you could play some instruments outside?
Sure thing, Mom. Okay, let's try this. Dear Grandpa, it's Zabezoo. That sounds scary. Oh, this. Dear Grandpa, this song's for you. I bet this makes great music. No, that's way too noisy. Maybe this makes good music. Oh, wow! There's a whole orchestra here. Now, that's pretty music. That sounds great! And now, all together. Dear Grandpa, it's Zabezoo. Dear Grandpa, the song's for you. Dear Grandpa, this song's for you.
Greetings from the stars, my little space cadet. What's new in your galaxy?
I'm making a song for Grandpa, but it's hard to play the instruments. They're all too far away from each other. I end up running instead of singing.
The instruments are too far. That's a problem we can solve.
Zabezoo's dad is an astronaut, so he can think his way out of any situation.
Now, you and I will build a musical instrument for your song. First, a little water for our bottles. Phase 1 is complete. Phase 2, complete. Phase 3, complete. And we'll call it the bottle phone.
Awesome!
Okay, let's go.
Dear Grandpa, it's Zabezoo. Dear Grandpa, this song's for you. Hope you hear, hope you see this special birthday wish from me. Happy birthday, Grandpa dear. Hope your day is filled with cheer. Dear Grandpa, from all of us, happy birthday with our love.
Thank you so much, Zabezoo. What a wonderful song that was. Grandma says hello. Bye-bye.
Yes, Grandma! Let's make a song for her too.
Are we gonna have to buy some instruments?
Uh-huh. And some headphones with good noise cancellation.
tiny ears, just like her mother's ears. And everyone is asking, whoever can she be? Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and fun adventures. That is our Zabezoo, Zabezoo, Zabezoo. Who on earth is Zabezoo? Ears and tail and tons of giggles. That is our Zabezoo.
Space pizza. Zabezoo's mom is in a big hurry today. If Zabezoo's dad doesn't get here soon, she'll be late for a weekly neighborhood mommy group.
Look, Dad's home!
Honey, you're just in time. I'm leaving for my mommy group. Can you watch the kids? You'll have to play with them.
Play! Got it!
And they still haven't had lunch.
Lunch! Got it!
Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.
Oh, wow! Why do you need so much toothpaste out in space?
It's not toothpaste. It's astronaut food. Do you want to try it?
No! Let's go outside. You promised to play with us.
Oy.
Follow me.
Ah!
Woohoo!
Whoa!
Hey!
Whoa! 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 Oy. Can we maybe take a break?
No!
Aren't you kids hungry yet?
No! We want to play!
What if I make a pizza?
Hooray! Pizza! Boom chaka-toom chaka-toom boom boom! Cheese, please!
I like mushrooms.
Pineapple for me! One sausage.
Zabezoo's dad is an astronaut, not a chef. Even though he tries to keep his mind on making pizza, his thoughts are still in outer space.
Start the engines! Hi.
What's that? Smells like burnt pizza.
Daddy!
Daddy!
Oh! What happened? A fire on the ship?
So much for pizza. With cheese.
With mushrooms.
With pineapple.
My sausage.
Don't worry, we'll come up with something. Anyone hungry for mustard?
Bingo flamingo! We can eat space pizza! This is the kind of pizza that astronauts eat. Mushrooms for Lisa, pineapple for Bobby, and for Ella, sausage! And the best for last, cheese!
It's so tasty.
Yummy, yummy! Tastes like space.
Do you have any more?
So how did it go? Did the rocket go off course?
Everything went great! Daddy made us a space pizza!
Really? From what?
From a tube!